This camera. Thank you.
आज जो बच्चे आए सब अच्छे
आज अच्छे बच्चे हैं। देखूंगी ना मैं, इधर से जाएगा तो मुझे पता होगा इनमें से कौन।
यानी क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है आज आप, जैसे कि कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी, कल दिखाया गया था सबको उसके बारे में, तो आज कितना एक्साइटेड है आज फिल्म?
मैंने ना थोड़ी सी चीटिंग कर ली है। मैं एक्चुअली रुक नहीं पाई। कल रात को रिलीज़ किया फर्स्ट 4 एपिसोड्स, तो मैंने जाके देख लिया। तो although I'm supposed to see the whole thing at the screening with my cast and crew, but I've already seen it. Seen the first 4 episodes, and I'm quite excited actually. I have my thoughts, but I'm going to share them once everyone's watched them. But it looks really nice, and it's turned out better than I'd expected it to. So let's hope. I'm just waiting for everyone to see it and actually having a good time, because we are actually meeting a lot of the crew today, and very close friends and all. So hopefully it'll be a happy evening.
Okay, काफी लोगों ने देख लिया है, और तो क्या रिस्पांस आ रहे हैं, भी क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स अभी आपको?
Some people I know have seen it, and they messaged me saying they really liked it and they can't wait for. Also, I also believe in binge watching shows, and I can't really wait for weeks after weeks to for the episodes to come out. So I am not a big fan of this format, I have to be honest. In fact, the problem is that even we won't be able to see the whole series, and we have to wait with you guys. So I actually don't know what I have done. I will only find out with you guys. So वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक anticipation, it's nice to see everything together and get done with it. So I don't know, but till the 4th episode, people have really liked it, actually really liked it. And they're all complaining that they'll have to wait now for the episodes to come out. बहुत ही सच में बहुत अच्छा रहा. There actually been one of the best producers I've worked with, and 2 people that we've very closely worked with were Namit Sharma, who I met the first time. Actually उन्हीं से मेरी meeting हुई थी. उन्होंने मुझे narration जो पहली बार दिया था, उन्होंने दिया था. And a big reason for me to do the series was Namit actually, and this woman right here, come here. The man and the woman in black. Come here, Namrata, with her beautiful hair. This is Namrata, and yeah, मैं बहुत bitching करी तुम्हारी. हाँ, बहुत मेरी बारी. चलो जाओ. So even Namrata, she's also the production designer and the producer of the show. And it's incredible what they've pulled off. So both Namit and Namrata, and they work, and Supan, that unit works so closely, and they know each other for 20 years. So the communication is so silent and so organic in a way, and you exactly know what each other's temperaments are. You've worked together for years, so it was really chilled out. And I keep saying we shot 13 episodes in 20 days, which is really unheard of. Nobody does that. It's really suicidal. And obviously it was very hectic, but set पे ना इतना शांत, calm, शांत तो नहीं क्योंकि सुपर्ण शांत नहीं रह सकता, but electrifying, बहुत ही एक positive, warm, happy environment होता था. तो stress बिल्कुल नहीं पता चला हमें जो shoot का. So that was, it was really very beautiful. Yeah, Big Sunny is great in a way, first time. सबका देखो, हम सबका as human beings we have a dark side and a not so dark side. It's more or less dark, but there is a lot of black and there is a lot of white, and we choose to be different shades, at different points in life, depending on where you are at that point in your life. What are your circumstances, what your insecurities are, what actually drives you, motivates you, what are the choices that you make. And at every point in our lives we are constantly making choices, right? Choices that can have a huge repercussion in your own lives and other people's lives. But हम जब decision लेते हैं तो शायद एकदम मोमेंट पे ले लेते हैं, उतना सोच के नहीं लेते हैं, या फिर हम pros and cons उतना सोचते नहीं हैं. So all of that. So you see real characters in this who take decisions and whatever unfolds like one after the other. You know, it keeps it's and there's so much thrill. Like it's a thriller, so it's very very exciting.
What's happening, guys? I'm at the screening of Koshki, and as you can see, the cast is here, my brother Arun is here. Go download the View app and watch Koshki. कैसे हो, guys? All good? How's it going? Good. एक्सपेक्ट जब आप किसी और का काम देखने आते हो ना तो एक्सपेक्ट करते हो अच्छी फिल्म हो, अच्छी वेब सीरीज हो या अच्छा शो हो. हम लोग को मैंने पढ़ रखा है और मैंने काफ़ी मतलब जब डबिंग चल रही थी या जब हम शूट कर रहे थे तो वी नो व्हाट वी शॉट. आई एम जस्ट होपिंग कि एक साथ व्हेन यू पुट थिंग्स टुगेदर ना, क्योंकि आप अपना सीन करते हो और निकल जाते हो, और एक वेब सीरीज जब हमने शूट की, जब बिग सिनर्जी मेरे पास आया और उन्होंने बोला कि स्केल बड़ा दिखाएंगे बट हमारा शेड्यूल टाइट है, सो यू वर्क रियली हार्ड और बहुत जल्दी जल्दी करते हो. एंड देन मेरे को ये एक्साइटमेंट है, मुझे ये देखना है हाउ इज इट कम टुगेदर, बिकॉज 6 अलग अलग कैरेक्टर हैं, उनकी दोस्ती, उनकी डार्क साइड, कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, कौशिकी के साथ क्या होता है और उसके बाद वो कैसे सॉल्व होता है. डज इट कम आउट लाइक दैट? फिलहाल हम लोगों ने सब सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू काफ़ी अपने
क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ? आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई थिंक द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड इज लाइक टोटली ब्रेकिंग आउट विथ रियली अमेजिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स. Like I said, मैं बहुत ही excited हूँ, especially when it comes to anything on the digital world. I think बहुत ही अच्छे concepts आ रहे हैं. It's being extremely creative. It's the kind of work any actor wants to do. And of course, I know Namit, I know Big Synergy, and I'm really, really excited for this because it is a show about the dark side of friendship. And I think हर इंसान में एक positive और negative होता है. It's like when a bunch of negatives get together of different friends, then what happens? So I'm excited to see it, and I wish them all the very best. Namit is fab, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing.
समय हमने टीवी पे तो आपको अलग-अलग अवतार में देखा है, अलग-अलग रोल करते हुए. अभी आप बिग सिनर्जी के साथ भी एक कोलैबोरेशन करने वाली, कितनी एक्साइटेड हैं?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं. जैसे कि आप जानते हो, टीवी, वेब, आजकल हर चीज़ में कुछ फाइनली होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है और बहुत ओकेज होने पड़ते हैं. तो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट कमेंटिंग ऑन समथिंग, क्योंकि बहुत चीज़ें आती है और चली जाती है और पता भी नहीं चलता. सो लेट्स जस्ट नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट टिल समथिंग एक्चुअली हैपेंस. I'm excited to see this because firstly, I'm a big fan of like thrillers. Shows जहाँ which keep you like जैसे मैं shows जैसे I'm watching this show called on Hotstar, The Night Off. I watched the show called The Sinner. You know, shows that keep you gripped and that अभी next क्या होगा, क्या हो सकता है. I'm a big fan of such shows. So I really am looking forward to see this and yeah.
So Hazana, we are talking about friendship. So friendship के dark side की बात तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन who's your best friend जिसका चाहे dark side हो चाहे light side हो, कौन ऐसे है जिससे आप अपनी हर चीज़ शेयर करते हो in your life?
See, I don't have one best friend. हम स्कूल में नहीं है जो हम कहते हैं कि my one best friend. I have a lot of good friends. और I have not seen the dark side of any of them and I hope that I don't have to. हम बहुत ही positive, happy लोग हैं. So when it comes to seeing the dark side of friendship, that's why these shows are made. Okay, bye. I said namaskar. Okay, guys. Bye. अरे मैंने पहले
Thank you.
Thank you.
सर सामने एक बार देख लीजिए.